Power G everywhere. It's time, guys. We're doing the reviews about the Qolsys alarm systems. We're gonna do review about the IQ Panel 4. Full review is underway. We're gonna do a review about their IQ locks, about their IQ smart sockets that we have here also. All of this is coming, but now one common question that we receive is how to change the battery for your IQ Panel 4. If you'll need this exact battery that we'll put in the description below, and we'll show you every step of the way how to change it inside your IQ Panel 4. So let's get to it. You are inside your IQ Panel 4. You see on your main screen that your battery is low. What to do next? Well, first step is you grab your line on top of your IQ panel, drag it down, you go inside settings, and then you enter the advanced settings. So you click on advanced settings. Here you will be prompted to enter your password. So you enter your personal password. In our case, we're still using the default password, so it is 1111, and then you have access to more settings on your device. The reason we're doing that is that you need to power down your system before being able to change the battery. So here on the bottom left, we click on power down. We don't want to start the wizard after it's powered up again. We click on OK, and there it go, it is shutting down. This was the first step toward changing your battery. Next step is actually unplugging your IQ Panel 4 from the wall. So this is what we're gonna do right now. Put it on the table, so this is done. Step 2 completed. Then you turn it on the other side, and this is where the battery is hiding. But first off, you need to remove this little screw that is tightening up the back panel together. So we're using a Phillips one to remove this one. So right here, we're gonna unscrew this, and now you have two arrows on the back. So if I show it to you right here, so here and here, you have your little arrows, and this is how you would remove your back panel. So by using either your hands, or also there are some tools you can have to remove it. So we're gonna use this tool right here. So it's just easier to go inside small gaps to being able to open this up. So I'm gonna open it up here. So you can use your finger on one side and then this on the other side, and you open your back panel. Then next stop, removing the barrel power here. So this plug. So all you need to do is remove it like this. Again, always be careful to not break anything when you're doing that. And then we have access to the battery that we see right here. With your fingers, what you will do is unclip the battery from there. So as you can see here, you have the clip with the wires. So now you just use your fingers, you go grab this, you unclip, remove this like so. And now a good trick is to have your wires down. So you have your enclosure where your wires are going. So by having your battery turned so your wires are down, you have more space. So you push the battery back, and you use again your tool here. You get it inside and you push your battery up. And this way, well, there you have it. Your battery is removed. Now, as you can see, you slide down the wires in this enclosure, and your battery is removed and ready to get changed. So you have your new battery, same thing. So wires down. You need to pass this first inside the enclosure. So you take it, pass it in, then you pull, making sure you have enough wiggle room to go and plug it in. So now I push, I will start with the back, then pull my wires, make sure they are not tangled. So like so, push it down, it is well secured, and then with this cable you put it back, you push, you hear a clip, and give a little tug to make sure it is properly installed. And now we can put everything back up. So using your barrel plug, you put it back in. As you know, we disconnected the power, so there's no worries there. We put the back panel back. We secure our back panel so with our Phillips screwdriver, and there you have it. So now we will turn it back and we will plug in this so we can start our IQ Panel 4 again. Your power supply is plugged in, your new battery is installed, and your IQ Panel 4 is working like new. So this is how you would change your battery. Again, we'll put the battery model number inside the description below so you know exactly what you get. This is this exact model, so look for this blue color. And well guys, again, this was just an overview of how to install a battery, but we're gonna do much more video about the Qolsys systems. If you have any question, any recommendation of what you would like to see, like this common one that we received from our viewers, leave a comment below and we'll see each other on the next one.